come to school too. School too.
My guy.
Hey, how about 5,300.
Okay, 5,300.
No. You want to pay when I'm here? No. For what now?
Really?
I will pay for you.
It's such a nice.
I'm a big boy.
Thank
My guy.
How about
Good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Do you have spaghetti bolognese mixed with shredded beef?
Apostle will hear of this. I will tell Apostle about this. This is what you want to use your life for.
Okay, anyhow, do you have shawarma?
No, we don't have shawarma, but we have bread.
Oh my God.
Do you have burger?
No, but wait. We have conflicts.
Okay, thank you.
Auntie, that they say semo for him is nice.
Okay, let me have. What did you call it?
Semo.
Let me have it.
It's nice.
Thank you. I would have loved something. Okay, I just don't want to waste too much time. All right, so how much is everything?
This is 4,100.
All right.
No. Now you want pay? One a day here? No, now me go pay.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I will pay.
Jesus is Lord.
Glory to God.
Don't mention.
All right, thank you.
How about it?
Oh my God.
Thank you. Give me my money.
Which money?
The first girl when you say make it go, 5,300. This second girl now, I don't know where from all these girls. 4,100.
That the way you and that guy they fight, so they nearly kill you, where they hold you for grand. Maybe me can't use my strength to rescue you. After I rescue you, can't tell me say you go see me. And inside that scene where you go see me now, my nose your money, they give me balance.
Nah, Bia, don't I go back give you.
Balance.
Abeg, stop that nonsense. No, now you are going to do that.
Now you go give me balance. You go balance me, not the way you feel do. So they are ready for you. You don't tell me say you go see me since.
Abade, you this money when I know the open shop. Oh, Abade, you
School too.